How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is James with Make Money Trucking, and today I've got a problem. So my door handle works perfect from the outside, but then from the inside the door handle does not work. So we're basically going to take this door panel off, and in order to do that, we're going to unbolt all these T30 Torx screws. I think it's a T30. So we're gonna unbolt all these. There's a couple down here and then a couple on this side as well. So we're gonna unbolt all these and then take the door panel off. Alright, so we got all the bolts taken out of the door all the way up, and now we're just gonna undo these connections, which just take a knife, pop it up, and then pull this guy, and then you can actually unhook those connectors either with a knife, unhook them like that with a butter knife or regular knife, and then we can pull this door panel off. There's also some tabs on this side that you got to break loose. There's no bolts like on other models, so there's tabs. So there's kind of a trick to getting the door around the door handle. You kind of got to move the door up and then take a screwdriver and kind of pry the door out around this handle. It's a pain in the butt, but eventually it will come off. And we got the control panel undone up here as well. Alright, so we got the door torn apart, and like I said, the handle's not working. And why that is there is a bolt. So first I thought it would have been one of these rods, but they're all intact. They basically control, and there's another rod down here. These basically control the mechanism on the door. But after inspecting those, this is the second time this happened, so there's a bolt that actually screws in there, and once you screw it all the way in there, let's see here, screw it in real fast. So once you screw it in, the door works. So for now, this handle's becoming loose. So what happened is this bolt here backed out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bolt that will fit inside here, and we're gonna just go and get some Loctite and put it back in, and hopefully that'll hold, because this will be the second time it's backed out in just a couple months. So hopefully we can get this to stay in the hole. And then this is loose, so we'll just tighten up that bolt and hopefully that fixes that. All right, so we put that bolt back in with some Loctite, and now we are going to put all these bolts back in, and that'll be it. And then our door handle now works. And yes, that's how you replace, or if you have a broken inner door handle, that's how you fixed it.